The Gugulethu Day Hospital is being described as a death trap for patients. The community says the hospital has a long history of elderly people dying there. Most recently, 2 people passed away shortly after being admitted to the facility. Ronald Masinda went to investigate. He joins us now live. So worrying allegations, Ronald. What did you discover?
Well, Shahan, according to community members from that area, they are saying that, of course, the hospital has a long history where many people have been left to die who were seeking medical attention. Now, this hospital is known as one of the most overcrowded hospitals in the province, given that it caters not only for people living in Gugulethu, but also surrounding areas such as KTC, Nyanga East, and as well as New Cross Road. So many people are saying that they have no choice, Shahan, but to go to this hospital to seek medical attention. And we've heard of harrowing stories. One lady whom we met today, she was really struggling to breathe, Shahan, and when we were there, spent well over an hour. She was still waiting in line to get into the hospital, so that was cause for concern for us. And also, we also understand that a lot of the elderly feel neglected by nurses when they go to the hospital to seek help. I mean, this month alone, 2 people have died without receiving the necessary medical treatment. We also have learned that many people have taken their grievances on social media. One lady complaining that when she was pregnant and water broke, that the nurses were actually rude to her and made her feel not very welcome. So she had to go to another hospital where she had to give birth, and many other people saying that, you know, the medical staff, they actually are not accommodative and they treat people unfairly. So we tried to get comment, of course, from the Western Cape Health Department, and they are saying that today they are spending much of the time trying to strategize ahead of the digital conference that they will be having this week, where they are expected to unveil some of the plans in order to try and reduce overcrowding at Western Cape hospitals, given that the second wave has hit the province quite hard. We also have learned, Shahan, that nurses are also faced with various other challenges at this hospital, because last year quite a number of daycare hospitals were robbed last year. They were robbed by criminals in the area, where nurses even threatened to quit their jobs. But we also understand that the Western Cape Health Department has since bolstered security at these facilities. We also, of course, filed a story, and this is what we came up with.
Branchina Duze died after experiencing complications with breathing. Her son, Shadrick Duze, says nurses at Gugulethu Hospital took their time to assist the 62-year-old.
Xa ndibona uba nyhani uyasokola kakhulu, ndahamba ndongena kwi-office apho oosista bebehleli khona. Umbuzo wami wokuqala was that umama nangu uyawuhleli phaa yedwa, akho mntu umathendayo. Unkosikazi wami ebemshiye apha endixelela into yoba usokola uphefumla. Iresponse endendayifumana basebandijonga abasista bobabini.
Some patients are in desperate need of medical attention but appear to be ignored.
Many who come here to seek medical treatment have to queue for hours. Some say staff at Gugulethu Day Hospital often mistreat the ill.
The Western Cape Health Department hasn't been available to comment. Community leaders are pleading with authorities for urgent intervention.
We are not going to accept this continuous neglection of our people. People that are coming from the north and southern suburbs of this province, they are not special than people who are coming from our disadvantaged communities. So we are saying that the provincial government should stop grandstanding when they are meeting their national counterparts and say that this is the best administered province.
Healthcare workers are playing a pivotal role in the fight against COVID-19. This means the accusations of negligence at this hospital are causing grave concern. Ronald Masinda, Cape Town.